ID. Today I am going to present on the topic solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. Now, what is an eclipse? Sometimes during their orbit, the earth and the moon are in a straight line with the sun. Then an eclipse occurs. There are two types of eclipse, solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. Now, let us understand about solar eclipse from this model. Solar eclipse occurs when the moon is in between the sun and the earth. During this time, the sun, the earth and the moon are in a straight line and the sunlight does not reach the earth as it is blocked by the moon. There are four types of solar eclipse: annular solar eclipse, partial solar eclipse, hybrid solar eclipse and total solar eclipse. Now, these are the phases of the moon. They are new moon, also known as Amavasya in Hindi, waxing crescent, first quarter, waxing gibbous, full moon, also known as Purnima in Hindi, waning gibbous, third quarter and waning crescent. Now, let us understand about lunar eclipse. Lunar eclipse occurs when the earth is in between the sun and the moon. During this time, the sun, the earth and the moon are in a straight line and the sunlight does not reach the moon as it is blocked by the earth. And we can see the earth's shadow on the moon. I hope everyone understood the concept.